Keep it going. All the way down.
Probably I would say about 2 or 3 of them a year charge. Huh, climber?
Squat down there, Linz. Yep. Feet outside. Good. Up. Big row. That's it. Get your foot right up there, Dina. Good. Nice. No. Mel. Arms down. Arms down. In here. In here. Yeah. When you row. In here. It's a row. Elbows down a bit. Elbows down. Underneath your chest. Underneath your chest. Well, put them on the outside of your chest.
Are we about there? Oh, look it up. After this one?
Sure. Pretty close.
Yeah.
If I tell you something, do you believe me? Probably not. Come on. Foot up.
That's gotta be hard for things on your legs.
Foot outside. Foot outside. Oh, go Stacey. Keep going, Stace. Get him up. Get him up. Butt down. Now up. That's it. Keep your butt down, Mel. Now bring your foot up outside your hand. Bring it up. Bring it up. Butt down a bit. Good. Bring it right up. That's a new dance, I see. Let's go. Come on, 20, Mel. Get him up. Open up those hips. Come on, Dom. Get him up. Towards your hand. Towards your hand. Come on, you can do it. Big deep crossover on the reverse lunges.
Sweet, so suitcase?
Front raises. Front raises. Just bend your knees slightly, Dina. Don't arch back. All right, let's go. Good. Yep, good. Abs are tight. Good. Well done, Gina. Good. Oh, that hurt. Yeah, it did. Well, don't bash your knee on the concrete. You know you're a big boned woman, right? Come on now. Let's go. Drop that back knee, Mel. Come on. Yeah, everyone's doing fantastic. Come on. Suitcase swings now. Let's go. Push your hips back. Hips back. Drive. That's it. Good. Knee slightly bent, Mel. Just use your shoulders, right? Good work. Push. Good. Nice.
You're not going to make us watch this, are you, Kevin?
Yep. Push your hips back. Push your hips back. When I'll post it, you can watch it. Right. Good. Come on. Everybody's doing fantastic. Good. Straight in front of your eyes there. Dina. Yeah. Hard up. That's it. Good. Up. Power from the bottom up. Good. Push your hips back, Gina. Push your hips back. Right back. Snap it up. Good. Come on.
Time to run, Ram.
Almost there.
Chop, chop.
Chop, chop.
Come on, Ram. Follow Dina, honey.
6 minutes to go, girls. 6 minutes. 6 minutes. Come on. Come on. Come on, my God.
Yeah.
Come on, Mel. Good girl. Power up. Good. Nice. Good. Keep going, Mel. Walk if you have to. Big deep squat. Dina, big squat. Yep. Go. Not that far. Are you stretching? Come on. Come on, we're almost there. Good. Feet apart a little bit. Good. All the way down, then big row. Good. Come on, girls, finish off.
Oh no, another? There's another
Oh,
one?
keep going until the beeper goes off. Just yeah, okay, of course you do.
Go Stace!
Get your butt down there, Linz. Come on.
Wow.
Are we? Feet right up outside your hands. Get your butt down there, Dina. Come on. That's it. Good. Up.